So today I'm working on my 2004 Ford Explorer. Ah, the beauty that it is. Just kidding. I am working on getting the knuckle off the driver's side rear. I just wanted to show you guys what the process is because some of the videos out there aren't real explicit. So I'm gonna flip my camera around and hook you up. We're gonna take this ball joint out and then this one down here. So I'm gonna show you what I did, what was helpful for me. So this one goes right in like that to that hole there. And then there's a bolt that goes through there, which I've already got out. Now, once you have that bolt out, that's in there, you have to wedge something in to this slit right there and press that apart so that it doesn't pinch the ball joint so you can get it out. So I just took a long screwdriver, got it in there with my, started with the 1 pound sledge, it wasn't quite working. I got it started with that and then I nailed it in there with my 3 pound sledge. Once I got this in, then I actually took my 3 pound sledge and hit on this to knock it out because that's how insanely in there they are. So my next step is going to be to do the upper ball joint. There is a similar joint right there, and so I'm going to get my screwdriver up in there now and separate that apart. You can see I was able to get my chisel in there. Unfortunately my screwdriver was too long and so it ended up all the way back here and I just didn't have enough room to hit it. And so I was able to get this in there and then just literally tap it with my 1 pound sledge. You could probably just use a regular hammer. I use my 1 pound sledge, it's old school there, and got it in there just enough. And then I took my 3 pound sledge and I actually hit down on it once or twice and then I hit left and right. I just wanted to kind of break everything loose, so I hit it a couple times that way to help break it loose, and then I started pounding up on it on both sides. And I think, you know, a few times here, alternating, and it just finally popped out. Hopefully that is helpful for you. So then you can, if you're working on it, you can just take the chisel or screwdriver out and put it back in when you need to, if you need it. Sometimes it might just slide back in, and you can put that bolt in, but you want to make sure you get that in all the way, because if you see this groove right here on there, that's actually what the bolt runs through when it runs through the bolt hole here. So that's what helps hold it in place. So you want to make sure this is seated down far enough in, and same thing with the one down here in the toe link or whatever that's called. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful. If it is, that'd be great. Like this video, and if you want to subscribe, that's cool. I'll put up some car videos every once in a while, especially on the Ford Explorer. So have a good one. Talk to you later.